Welcome, relax your mind, slow your breathing, and allow yourself to enjoy this deep skincare cleansing session. Today's treatment focuses on gentle blackhead removal, deep pore cleansing, and overall skin purification. This process is designed to remove dirt, oil, dead skin cells, and trapped impurities while keeping the skin calm, balanced, and healthy. Every step is performed slowly, carefully, and hygienically to protect the skin barrier and promote natural glow. Step 1. Identify your skin type. Before starting any skincare routine, you must understand your skin type. Using the wrong products can damage your skin barrier and worsen skin problems. Common skin types: normal skin, balanced, not too oily or dry, oily skin, excess oil, shiny appearance, acne-prone, dry skin, tight, flaky, rough texture, combination skin, oily T-zone. Forehead, nose, chin, and dry cheeks, sensitive skin, easily irritated, redness, burning sensation. Knowing your skin type helps you choose the right cleanser and skincare products. Step 2. Choose the right facial cleanser. A facial cleanser removes dirt, oil, bacteria, and makeup without stripping the skin's natural moisture. How to choose a cleanser: oily skin, gel or foam cleanser; dry skin, cream or milk cleanser; sensitive skin, fragrance-free, sulfate-free cleanser; acne-prone skin, salicylic acid or gentle acne cleanser. Crossmark: avoid using bar soap or body soap on your face. These are too harsh and disrupt the skin's pH balance. Step 3. Morning face cleansing routine. Why morning cleansing is important? While you sleep, your skin produces oil and collects sweat and bacteria. Morning cleansing refreshes the skin and prepares it for the day. Step-by-step morning routine. Point 1. Rinse with lukewarm water. Avoid hot water. Lukewarm water helps open pores gently. 2. Apply a small amount of cleanser. Use a coin-sized amount. Lather the cleanser in your hands. Massage gently for 30 to 60 seconds. Use circular, upward motions. Focus on forehead, nose, and chin. Be gentle around the eyes. 4. Rinse with cool water. Helps close pores. Leave skin refreshed. 5. Pat dry with a clean towel. Do not rub. Always use a soft towel. Step 4. Use a toner. Optional but beneficial. Toner helps restore the skin's natural pH level after cleansing and removes any leftover residue. Benefits of toner: tightens pores, refreshes the skin, prepares skin for serums and moisturizers. Apply toner with clean hands or a cotton pad. Step 5. Apply serum. Targeted treatment. Serums are concentrated skincare products that penetrate deeply into the skin. Common serums: vitamin C, brightening and glow; niacinamide, oil control and pore reduction; hyaluronic acid, hydration and plumping; salicylic acid, acne control. Use 2 to 3 drops and gently press into the skin. Step 6. Moisturizer, essential for all skin types. Many people believe oily skin does not need moisturizer. This is a myth. Why moisturizer is important: maintains skin barrier, prevents dryness and irritation, balances oil production. Choose a lightweight gel for oily skin and a cream-based moisturizer for dry skin. Step 7. Sunscreen, most important daytime step. Sun exposure causes premature aging, dark spots, wrinkles, and skin damage. Sunscreen rules: use SPF 30 or higher. Apply 2 finger-length amount. Apply 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours outdoors. Never skip sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Step 8. Evening and night face cleansing routine. Nighttime cleansing is crucial because it removes dirt, oil, sunscreen, and makeup accumulated during the day. Double cleansing method recommended. Step 1. Oil-based cleanser or micellar water removes makeup and sunscreen. Step 2. Water-based facial cleanser deeply cleans pores. Step 9. Night skincare routine, repair phase. At night, your skin repairs and regenerates itself. Night routine steps: cleanser, toner, treatment serum, retinol or acne treatment. Moisturizer. Warning sign: retinol should only be used at night and never combined with direct sun exposure. Step 10. Weekly deep cleansing, 1 to 2 times a week. Exfoliation benefits: removes dead skin cells, improves skin texture, boosts glow. Types of exfoliation: physical exfoliation, scrubs, avoid if sensitive skin; chemical exfoliation, AHA, BHA, or PHA. Do not over-exfoliate. Step 11. Face masks. Face masks provide extra care depending on your skin needs. Mask types: clay mask, oily skin; hydrating mask, dry skin; charcoal mask. Deep cleansing, use once or twice a week. Step 12. Hygiene habits for clear skin. Use a clean towel for your face. Change pillowcases weekly. Clean makeup brushes regularly. Avoid touching your face frequently. Step 13. Common skincare mistakes to avoid: crossmark washing face too often; crossmark using harsh scrubs daily; crossmark skipping moisturizer; crossmark not wearing sunscreen; crossmark trying too many products at once. Step 14. Lifestyle and diet tips. Healthy skin starts from within. Drink plenty of water, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, eat fruits and vegetables, reduce oily and sugary foods, manage stress. Step 15. Consistency is the key. Skincare is not a one-day miracle. With consistent care, visible improvements appear within 3 to 4 weeks. Step 16. Avoid over-cleansing. Washing your face more than twice a day can strip natural oils, causing dryness, irritation, and increased oil production. Stick to morning and night cleansing only. Step 17. Be gentle around the eye area. The skin around the eyes is thin and delicate. Use your ring finger and gentle tapping motions when cleansing or applying products. Step 18. Use lukewarm water only. Hot water damages the skin barrier, while cold water does not clean effectively. Lukewarm water is ideal for daily face cleansing. Step 19. Do not mix too many actives. Avoid using multiple active ingredients like retinol, AHA, BHA, and vitamin C together. Overuse can cause irritation and breakouts. Step 20. Always clean your hands first. Dirty hands transfer bacteria to your face. Wash your hands thoroughly before touching your skin or applying any skincare product. Step 21. Patch test new products. Before using a new cleanser or serum, apply a small amount behind your ear or jawline to check for irritation. Step 22. Adjust routine according to weather. In summer, use lightweight gel products. In winter, switch to cream-based cleansers and moisturizers to prevent dryness. Step 23. Use clean towels daily. Always dry your face with a clean towel. Reusing dirty towels can cause acne and skin infections. Step 24. Change pillowcases weekly. Pillowcases collect oil, sweat, and bacteria. Changing them regularly helps prevent breakouts and skin irritation. Step 25. Avoid touching your face frequently. Touching your face spreads bacteria and dirt, increasing the risk of acne and clogged pores. Step 26. Keep your phone screen clean. Mobile screens carry bacteria that transfer to your skin during calls. Clean your phone screen daily. Step 27. Follow a consistent routine. Consistency matters more than expensive products. Follow the same routine daily for long-term results. Step 28. Do not skip moisturizer. Even oily skin needs moisturizer. Skipping it can cause the skin to produce more oil to compensate. Step 29. Apply products in correct order. Always apply products from thinnest to thickest. Cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, morning. Step 30. Use sunscreen every single day. UV rays damage skin even on cloudy days. Daily sunscreen prevents pigmentation, wrinkles, and premature aging. Step 31. Reapply sunscreen when outdoors. If you stay outdoors for long hours, reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours for full protection. Step 32. Avoid sleeping with makeup on. Sleeping with makeup clogs pores and causes breakouts. Always cleanse your face before bedtime. Step 33. Nighttime is repair time. Your skin repairs itself at night. Use nourishing products to support skin regeneration. Healthy, glowing skin does not require expensive products. It requires proper face cleansing, correct product usage, daily consistency. By following this face cleansing daily skincare routine, you can achieve clearer skin, fewer breakouts, brighter complexion, healthier skin barrier.